Each clip isn't just an incident, it's a lesson. This video has been created for educational purposes, featuring original text-based commentary to help you understand every moment more clearly.
You're when it comes to women, you're not this?
I am married.
We're opposite, so it's okay.
Alright.
Oh, shit!
We have not seen...
Oh, shit!
Right? There's been 3 drives from Jake Daniels starting every season. All 3 ended with scoring opportunity. There was a touchdown, field goal, missed field goal. At the same time, they were going up against an exotic blitz.
Wow. Okay then. Okay.
And I'm done.
Jménem zákona zastav cyklistou. Jaký opak? Prahy 6, jede na 8, nám dělal cyklista, ale jede v protisměru, ujíždí, odmítá zastavit. Jo, hezky. Utíkej. Ruce ze záda!
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
I'm calm, asshole.
You stopped in the middle of the intersection.
No, you're fucking all up my fucking ass.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you are.
I'm calling the
And then you
police, man.
fucking smash into me? Yeah, call.
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Hey, you're not supposed to pass this way.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
We need to call police.
No, we're good. We're good.
What are you?
No,
are you-
but I have damage.
Here, get my number. Get my number. I'll pay everything.
No, that's not the point. Because right now, you hit my vehicle.
I know,
And you-
but please, I will pay everything.
No, that's not the point.
I'll give you the money
Are
right
you
now.
okay?
No.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I need to
Wait.
go now.
No, please
No.
don't. Please don't. Please.
No,
Please don't.
I have to
Please,
follow the
please,
law.
please don't. Please.
You are the witness.
Please don't. Please don't. Please.
No.
I'm asking you, God forbid. Please don't.
No, but you will.
No way. Please don't. Please don't.
Because she never called us, right? So, and we kind of looked at it, and they were like, yeah, it's done for today, we're not.
Dude. Hey. Holy shit. Why would you do that? I don't get it. I don't know. What the heck?
Oh my fucking god, dude.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. What the
Are you f***ing kidding me? What the f*** are you doing?
What am I gonna do? Chill out. I'm going right in there. God damn it. Hi, I just had a guy run into my car.
Shit!
199 KZS.
Okay, nice.
199 KZS. this. Keep left. Sir! Sir! Sir!
What's wrong?
You can't see a goddamn turn signal?
Where are you trying to turn?
Right here, stupid.
Well, you gotta slow down, buddy. It's okay.
I
Hey,
was slowing down. You can't see brake lights?
I braked. All right,
Yeah,
go.
almost after you
Hey.
hit the back of that damn car.
Hey, calm down, buddy. Go home.
Shit! Bruh! God damn!
911 for the break. Subscribe to the file. Not for the moment. Please file later.
New message from Vladislav. I'm looking for you.
What? Where the f*** you going, you stupid f***ing cunt? F*** you, bitch!
Pay attention, dude.
Jesus Christ. Insane.
You can't just move. Like, just because you wanted it doesn't mean I'm gonna...
What the f-
Are you f***ing kidding me? Goddamn piece of shit. What are you doing? Trying to do
Oh, we
what?
just been in an accident.
Wait!
Um,
Goddamn hey, this
and
fucker over here.
Lincoln just got
Lincoln
rear-ended.
and Jersey.
If you enjoy real footage and videos full of life lessons like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, let us know in the comments if something like this has ever happened to you.